In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access OneDrive from your PC without syncing. This method is perfect for those who want to manage their cloud storage smartly without automatically syncing all their files to their device. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to locate the OneDrive icon on your taskbar. It's usually represented as a cloud symbol. If you can't immediately see it, you might need to click on the small arrow to unveil hidden icons. This step is crucial because the OneDrive cloud icon is your gateway to all the settings you'll be adjusting today. Once you've found the OneDrive cloud icon, right-click on it. This action will open up a context menu with several options. From this menu, look for the option that says Pause Syncing. Selecting this will temporarily halt any ongoing sync processes between your OneDrive and your PC, providing you ample control over what files make it to your device. After pausing, it's time to click on Quit OneDrive. Don't worry, quitting OneDrive doesn't mean you're signing out or disconnecting it permanently. Rather, it's just resetting the operation temporarily, allowing for a fresh start regarding sync settings. To dive deeper into settings management, right-click the OneDrive icon again and select Settings. This is where all the customization happens. Once in Settings, navigate to the Sync and Backup section. Here, you can have more detailed control over which elements of your system are backed up automatically. In this section, you'll find an option labeled Manage Backup. By clicking this, you'll access options concerning specific folders like Desktop, Documents, and Pictures. You'll have the choice to turn off the backup feature for these folders if desired. This step is incredibly useful if you prefer specific folders not to be included in the sync, maintaining more free space on your device. Now, let's move on to the Account tab within the Settings window. Here, click on Choose Folders. This feature allows you to select which folders you wish to sync with OneDrive. Just uncheck any folders you prefer not to sync, enabling you to have only the essential files stored locally on your device. This way, you can effectively manage your storage space without unnecessary clutter. By following these simple steps, you achieve a more streamlined approach to using OneDrive, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your personal or professional needs. Whether you need to conserve storage or have specific files synced, this method offers a tailored approach without compromising accessibility to your files in the cloud. And there you have it. Accessing OneDrive from your PC without syncing is that straightforward. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more practical tech tips.